TradingView alerts are one of the most powerful tools for traders looking to stay on top of the markets without constantly watching charts. A proper alert setup ensures you never miss critical price movements, technical indicator triggers, or trend changes, allowing you to act immediately and efficiently. In this video, I will walk you through the best TradingView alert setup to maximize your trading workflow. The foundation of any alert setup is defining the conditions that matter most. Start with price levels. Setting alerts at key support and resistance zones allows you to react to breakouts or reversals without hesitation. For example, placing an alert at a resistance of $150 on a stock means you will get notified as soon as it approaches or breaks this level, giving you the chance to enter a trade or adjust your positions. Next, integrate technical indicators. TradingView supports alerts based on moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, and more. A common strategy is to set alerts when the price crosses the 50-day or 200-day moving average or when RSI moves into overbought or oversold territory. Alerts can also be customized for multiple conditions. For instance, combining RSI below 30 with a price touch at a support level creates a stronger signal than relying on either condition alone. Customizing alert notifications is crucial. TradingView allows pop-ups, emails, or SMS notifications, and you can even connect alerts to mobile apps or automation platforms for instant action. Using descriptive alert names, like RSI oversold entry $150, helps you recognize signals immediately without opening the chart. Finally, organize alerts to avoid clutter. Group similar alerts for specific assets or strategies, and remove outdated alerts to maintain clarity. This optimized setup ensures you stay informed, react faster, and ultimately trade with more confidence. Implementing this alert system in TradingView can transform your trading by ensuring that every significant market movement is captured in real time, keeping you ahead in a fast-moving market.